2016 Jeep Renegade came in running rough with the check engine light on, and what we found in cylinder 2 wasn't good. Initial diagnosis scan revealed a misfire on cylinder number 2, engine running uneven, noticeable shake at idle. Inspection and testing removed the spark plug from cylinder number 2. Spark plug was oil-soaked. Performed a Borescope inspection of the cylinder. Findings: oil present on top of the piston in cylinder number 2. Confirms the oil is entering the combustion chamber, not just leaking externally. Misfire is being caused by oil fouling the spark plug, preventing proper ignition. Likely causes based on findings: internal engine issue such as valve seal failure, stuck or damaged valve, piston ring issue. This is not an ignition or coil problem. This Jeep Renegade isn't misfiring because of a bad plug or coil. It's misfiring because oil is getting into the cylinder. Further engine teardown is required to pinpoint the exact internal failure.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.